Eliminates stains, warts and looks younger 10 years using this every night. In brief moments, a written explanation. Warts are conditions that appear on the skin completely harmless, but quite annoying and often painful. While they can appear anywhere on the body, it is common to find them in places where the skin is rubbed, like the armpits, the English, the chest, neck and eyelids. While there is no specific reason for the appearance of warts, it occurs more frequently according to genetic predisposition in people with overweight and diabetic. Occasionally, hormonal changes can lead to the appearance of warts as well as pregnancy. Just follow this simple procedure and use these few elements. Take a piece of cotton the size needed to cover the warts, wet it in apple cider vinegar and eliminate excess. Apply it over the wart and hold for several minutes. Perform this same procedure only twice a day for 5 days, and you will see that the wart will gradually take on a dark brown color. After 1 week, the wart will fall by itself, and in case there are remains, will disappear in a few days. Important: do not use vinegar to remove warts eyelid, as this may irritate eyes. Very certified homemade recipe is to use apple cider vinegar. For this we will need several band-aids or band-aids, this depending on the number of warts that we proceed to take 2 or 3 drops of apple cider vinegar in band-aids and then place it on the wart you wish to remove. This should be repeated for 5 days without skipping any. We do it when we wake up every morning and before we go to sleep, that is to say twice a day. Remember not to remove the band-aid until the night comes when it is time to put on another portion. After the 5 days have passed, you will see that the wart has disappeared, and if it has not disappeared, we recommend another method. What you will do is put a tape on where the wart is located for 5 consecutive days and do not remove it. Then you will notice that the wart is soaked with water, and lastly you should use a pumice stone to sanding very carefully where the wart is, and that you will remove the dead skin. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.